There's a lake in the German Alps where the cliffs drop straight into the water. No road in, no road out. Königssee sits inside the Berchtesgaden National Park in Bavaria, surrounded on all sides by sheer rock faces. The water is clean enough to drink. Motorboats have been banned for over a century. The only way across is by silent electric boat. Halfway down the lake, there's a church on a peninsula you can only reach by water. Follow along. There's so much more to show you.